customers. Do you want to buy the high quality waterproof zipper to make your high quality or fashion bag or garment? If yes, you're welcome to contact us. So you can see we have the PU waterproof zipper, TPU waterproof zipper, and the color waterproof zipper, and the leather waterproof zipper for your choosing. We also have many another model, for example for nylon, for metal, for plastic zipper, and the nylon zipper with the vacuum plating chain come out from the waterproof zipper like this one. But we to put the waterproof film on the surface, okay? And also this one. So this is our QLQ catalog for garment, for bag, accessory. If you want to get such this e-catalog, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you.